Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this SoundPEATS TrueShift2. So these are for sports, fitness. If you're exercising, it will make sure that these earbuds don't actually fall out. So I'm just going to test this as well. I'll be using it for running. So let's open this up. Okay. Nicely packaged. This is the case. Looks fairly chunky. It's pretty thick. The SoundPEATS. In the box you also have, I believe this is a charger. Yep, cables, charging cables, USB-C charging cable, and then I think we've got these earbuds that are different sizes, and some replacement rubber things. Not sure what they're called. Let's open these up. So these are the earbuds. Looks like they've been charged. As soon as you take it off, it starts to flash. So these are the wings, which is replacement wings. Looks like they're different sizes. I believe this is what may keep these snug in your ear. These little wings. Got the charging. It's got an indicator. Looks like it's about halfway charged. As soon as you take it off, it goes on. And it's charging. Just gonna try to pair it with my phone. Got the phone here. Let's see whether it can detect it. Pair a new device. There you go, SoundPEATS, pretty easy. Guess that's saying allow access to your contacts and call history. I'm assuming if you plan to use this to make calls, then select that. It says pairing, pair. And there you go, it's paired. It's 100% charged. Let's see, it's got HD audio, AAC. You're able to do phone calls, media audio, contact sharing. So there you go. It looks like you can just use one side. So let me push it back in, see what happens. So it goes off. Let me put this one, see whether I need to pair it again if I put this one on. Pair a new device. Oh, it looks like you do have to pair it again depending on which side, which is pretty unusual. Let me try that again. This is the left hand side. There it is, connecting, pair it. Strange that it's asking for a number now. Turn this off. Turn this back on. And let me charge them. Should go off here, should be removed from the list because it's no longer turned on. Oh, this one looks like it's turned on. Okay, now it's off. So the LED light is red, so it means charging. So let me take this right hand side one. Yep, now it goes on automatically. So this one is 90% charged. So it looks like you're pairing each of these individually. So that's off. This was 100% before. Yep, 100%. So it looks like it's pairing them individually. So it looks like if you want to charge the SoundPEATS, if you want to charge the case, it's got the logo at the front here. There's a little panel at the front. So what you need to do is just open this up. And there's your USB-C port and a USB. It looks like you can also charge just your mobile phone from the SoundPEATS case to your mobile phone. So that might be a bit handy to have as well. And all you have to do is just plug one end, this end to case, and then the other end to the mobile phone, and there you go, it's charging. So in order to charge the SoundPEATS, the case, there is a panel at the front where the logo is SoundPEATS. Just open that up. So it's got a USB-C and just a normal USB-A. So you can use this USB-A to also charge your phone. So for example, just need to charge my Pixel, plug in the USB cable here, and then connect the other one to the USB-C, and there you go. See that it's charging now. You can use the same cable to charge the SoundPEATS case as well. So plug this into a USB-A port or power adapter or your computer. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.